All right, let's talk about the Fed day. Let's get a quick breakdown of what happened yesterday. Wanted to go over this. So the Fed cut its policy rate by 0.25%. That part was completely expected. But here's the important thing. They did not cause mortgage rates to go down by 0.25% yesterday. All right. When the announcement hit, the bond market actually didn't move at all. Mortgage-backed securities, they didn't budge. The real action actually happened just a few minutes during Jerome Powell's press conference. So that's when things got really, really interesting. So Jerome or Powell, he made a few comments that the bond market actually really liked, and that is not normal. He said that the recent job gains might have been overstated, meaning that the job market's a little bit softer than maybe the numbers show. He also said that there's some evidence of inflation continuing to cool. And he also said that the Fed funds rate is now in the high range of what they consider to be neutral. So what does the word neutral mean? That means interest rates or the Fed policy rate isn't really helping or hurting the economy. They're kind of just holding things steady. So that tells the market that there's room for maybe 1 or 2 more cuts in 2026. So let's go to the Fed's dot plot, which also was released yesterday. That basically hinted at the same thing. And you got more members moving that are leaning toward a possible cuts next year. But hearing Jerome say that out loud actually improved mortgage rates after the press conference, not during the actual announcement of the decision itself. So here's the big picture. Housing is still weak. Obviously, it's still recovering from the big recession or whatever, COVID, or the downturn of the rates and stuff. But the employment's still a little soft, but the Fed's trying to walk that tightrope. Biggest thing is that doesn't mean rates fall overnight. It means that the pressure is finally moving in the right direction. And yesterday was one of the few more encouraging times that we've had on Fed Day in a long time. So if you're a buyer or you're a realtor and you want to help clients make sense of all this, now's a good time for me to look at updated numbers. So if they've gotten quotes in the past, I'm always happy to relook at it and see where things sit for you right now. So hope you have a great day. My name is Brandon. If I can help you in any way, shoot me a DM, text, and I'll be glad to help you. Have a great day.